Worry is an invisible burden that bends our shoulders and clouds our minds. Like an overflowing river, it sweeps us into despair's waters, never offering a safe harbor. But we must remember, there are only two kinds of problems. The inevitable, like the tides of the ocean, which no force can restrain, and the solvable, which demand action, not anxiety. If something can be changed, let our hands work, rather than our minds wear away in distress. If nothing can be done, then let us learn to accept, with serenity, the natural flow of life. Worry is like the wind stirring the surface of a lake, restless and unsettled, yet powerless to change its depth. It scatters our energy, keeping us spinning in place. But the answer is not to dwell on problems, but to act. If an obstacle stands in our path, let our hands build bridges instead of walls of anxiety. Every step forward is a spark that clears the fog of uncertainty. The secret is not to be consumed by thoughts, but to transform every worry into a movement toward change. When overwhelmed, the mind becomes a stormy sea, with waves of fear, anxiety, and tension pulling us in every direction. But Vedanta teaches us a simple secret: the power of conscious relaxation. Just 10 minutes of daily stillness can calm the raging waters, allowing peace to settle like a quiet lake at dawn. In this sacred pause, the weight of thoughts dissolves, and life flows effortlessly. It is not an escape, but a return to our essence. Be still, breathe, and simply be. When the body finds stillness, the mind rebels, stirring up a whirlwind of thoughts. Forgotten fears, hidden desires, scattered memories, all rise like leaves in the wind. But we need not be swept away by this storm. We can simply observe, like the vast sky, indifferent to the clouds passing through. We can watch the mind's movements without clinging or resisting. No judgment, no struggle, just awareness. In this quiet witnessing, like a river flowing effortlessly to the sea, we find the balance we seek. Life is an ever-changing ocean, with waves rising and falling at the mercy of fate's winds. If we cling too tightly to the tides, we are carried away by the unpredictable flow of events. But when we cultivate detachment, we discover a safe harbor within. Detachment is not coldness or indifference. It is allowing the mind to rest in its own balance. Like a serene observer by the riverbank, we watch life's currents pass without being swept away. In detachment, there is freedom, there is peace, there is true strength. The mind, like a restless river, flows ceaselessly, scattering its strength in countless directions. But just as the body needs rest, the mind too must find its sacred pause. A few moments of daily stillness allow it to renew itself, dissolving tensions and releasing accumulated fatigue. This conscious rest is not mere idleness, but a hidden wellspring of vitality. By silencing the inner storm, we awaken clarity, creativity, and resilience. Rejuvenated, we move forward with greater ease and purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.